I would like to ask the management committee why there are so many delays in collecting maintenance arrears.
ये हाउसकीपिंग वाले बराबर साफ सफाई नहीं करते।
वो कार पार्किंग का बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है। In every AGM I am raising this issue.
Sir, I have a long-standing complaint of leakage in my flat.
I have written so many letters to the management committee, but no action has been taken so far.
Beta, I tell you, being in the managing committee, it's a big hassle and it's a pain in the neck. I'm fed up of it. I'm fed up, really, I'm fed up of it. I want to resign.
Thousands of housing societies, and it's almost the same story everywhere. So, if you are burdened by these numerous responsibilities of society management, then it's time to contact Pangal Computer Services Private Limited. A leading name in providing billing, accounting and management services for cooperative housing societies. Pangal Computer Services now introduces Society 123. A hassle-free web-based management tool to transform your society, making it highly functional and easily manageable.
Society management में अगर टेक्नोलॉजी का, साइंस का हेल्प लिया जाए तो this should solve a lot of problems. I think that's an excellent idea to use technology now in this.
Technology always helps, and if something is available where we can do away with these problems of maintaining ledgers particularly, I would be very happy.
Pangal Computer Services is promoted by Mr. Mohan Rajbhai, an ex-banker who introduced the concept of computerized billing and accounts for housing societies. Started in 1987, we are an ISO 9001-2008 certified organization, providing total property solutions to cooperative housing societies in Mumbai city. Motivated by a desire to add value to the housing sector, we have come up with new offerings like SocietyWiki.com. This free-for-all software provides news items, articles, FAQs, model bylaws, forms and documents pertaining to housing societies. Besides a provision for users to have their queries replied by a panel of expert professionals. Society managements may change, but our softwares maintain a consistency, thus becoming the strength of our clients. That's why we are known as the Housing Society Management People.
सोसाइटी के मैनेजमेंट और मेंबर्स के इंटरेक्शंस को कंट्रोल करने के लिए, सोसाइटी के रिकॉर्ड्स को सही ढंग से रखने के लिए ये सॉफ्टवेयर्स काफ़ी हद तक सपोर्टिव रहेगा। पहले जैसे 100% काम बैंक में जाके किया जाता था, अब 70-80% काम तो ऑनलाइन इंटरनेट पे हो जाता है। और इसी तरह से सोसाइटी का भी काम अब सोसाइटी में जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। 70-80% काम सोसाइटी का ऑनलाइन हो जाया करेगा।
We are also decided to hire Pangal Computer so that they can give us the best service. And since we are told that they are launching an online services, I think it should help all the societies so that every problem can be sorted out easily and in the best possible manner.
Society 123 is developed by an expert team with several years of experience in handling complex society matters, in collaboration with the technical team of Web Element.
Our experience in 25 years, gathered through interactions with various advocates, chartered accountants, various managing committee members, the various and varied problems faced by the societies, entire experience has been put into this software, and we are sure the software meets the requirement of the market. This is the uniqueness that can be found only in our software, that our experience is the basic input into the software. It is not just the technology, it is the technology plus our experience.
Every member of the society gets access to required data on a highly secured website.
Features are very friendly, and number two, more importantly, it tells you what are the compliance issues which the society needs to do in a very succinct form, and by entering the relevant data and the relevant numbers in terms of your accounting practice and everything, it helps you and guides you to the relevant authorities where you need to file the relevant documents, and it helps you to process the documents very quickly. In short, the software helps busy people like us to manage the societies in a very cost-effective and timely efficient manner.
The easy-flowing user interface of Society 123 and its precisely structured tools help you in maintaining billing and records, maintenance statements, sending notices to society members, scheduling meetings, income and expense tracker, parking allotments and all other tasks accurately and effortlessly.
All the information is available under one umbrella, even including the statutory ledgers, minutes book, and even the sending the notices, maintenance of books.
As a society member, I find this society software 123 is very interesting, very easy access. With the logging, you can access society's details. You can have your society's maintenance bill, whether paid or not. Any complaint you want to lodge with society, you can have those things through this software.
I have noticed that in many societies, the managing committee comprises of elderly people and retired people, and our youngsters are not inclined to participate into any society matters because of time restraint and also professional commitments. But I think with this new technology-based tool, Society 123, which is more accessible as they use their laptops and iPad, and also it is accessible to them when they are traveling or out of station.
कागजों से निकलकर सोसाइटी के रिकॉर्ड हवाओं में सुरक्षित तैरेंगे जब आप society123.com पर लॉगिन करें.
Use society123.com and experience a high level of satisfaction in the day-to-day operations.
Click away hassles of society management. Log on to society123.com.